If you want to remove SIM card from Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, you need to prepare the eject tool that you can find, for example, inside the box. And then take a look at the bottom of the phone where we have the SIM tray. Over here, of course, we have this hole next to the SIM tray, this one. And we need to insert the eject tool into that hole. Just put it in and then use just a little bit of force so that the SIM tray pops out. Once it pops out, you need to remove it with your fingers or fingernails. There we go. And over here, of course, we have the SIM card. In order to remove it, you might need to try to bend it just a little bit, not much. Or you can also see that over here, in this place here, we have this little space that we can also use in order to remove the SIM card. So by using fingernails, you should be able to easily just take it out from here. Once again, it is this spot here. This allows you to, without bending actually, the SIM tray, we can easily remove the SIM card. And of course, after that, we can just put it back into the phone, the SIM tray. Just use your fingers to push it back in, make sure that it is fully in, and that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!